What are you doing, Val? What do you got that for, Christmas?
Yeah.
Wow. Awesome.
It has a deer on it.
Get it away? Yeah, oh,
okay.
Wow. Go ahead. Load it up. There you go. Alright, let's see if you hit it. Come on, let's walk over there.
Daddy, that thing almost got my eye out. Ow. Yeah, I hit it.
Where'd you hit it at? I think you hit it right here. Oh, look where I hit it.
Oh, that's awesome. Awesome.
Look at the BB stuck in there.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, Daddy, that's strong. That's strong.
Come on, let's do another one.
Where's the BB at, Jackie?
Get on the floor.
Oh, let me load it.
No, you don't need no more. He's full.
What?
Yeah.